This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Fairfax, Loudoun, and Prince William. Flood warning in effect until 8:15 p.m. this evening, replaces flash flood warning. Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of northern Virginia, including the following counties, Fairfax, Loudoun, and Prince William. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 8:15 p.m. Impacts: numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 7:20 p.m., Emergency Management reported numerous roads closed due to thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Centerville, Bull Run, Sudley, Catharpin, Woolsey. Please visit weather.gov/safety flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash flood warning for Fairfax and